Farming, a testament to the hard work that toiled with generations, providing us the nurturings with their sweat and dedication. It's still a challenge to provide the farm with required nutrients in traditional manual spraying, even though effective, poses multiple health risks, as cited by the National Institute of Health. The reference links are provided in the description. With the global revolution of modernization, imagine a way where spraying is easier, more efficient, and safer. This isn't just a dream, it's now a reality with our cutting-edge DGCA type certified agricultural drone, AGRONE-X. Designed specifically for pesticide spraying, the AGRONE-X offers a revolutionary approach to crop protection. Say goodbye to manual spraying and welcome our AGRONE spraying. With its state-of-the-art design and advanced spraying system, our drone ensures precise and uniform pesticide spraying, reducing waste and maximizing effectiveness. Let's take a closer look at what makes this drone the best in its class. The AGRONE-X is not just any other drone. It's a pinnacle to modern agricultural technologies and a marvel in engineering with the proud branding of Make in India. Every component is meticulously crafted to ensure optimal performance in the field. Equipped with a high-capacity battery, it offers extended flight times, allowing you to cover more ground in a single charge. The large spray tank means fewer refills, saving you time and effort. This drone is built with durability in mind, capable of withstanding harsh conditions like weather and the demands of regular use. Not much technical expertise is needed to operate our drone. Our user-friendly controller makes it simple for anyone to operate the drone. It's that easy. To ensure your drone operates at peak performance, we also offer comprehensive maintenance and support services. Our team of experts is just a phone call away and ready to assist you with any questions. Take your farming to the next level with our revolutionary pesticide spraying drone. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more and place your order. Join the future of agriculture and experience the difference.